Good morning, students. Myself Abhishek Sharma from Mount Litera Z School, Jhansi. Today we are starting with a new chapter of Business Studies of class 11th. The name of chapter is Business Services. Basically, in this chapter, we will learn types of services like banking, insurance, warehousing, advertising, marketing, communication, and it is very important for those students who are trying to build their career in service industry or service sector. So starting with this chapter, we would like to discuss on two aspects, that is goods and services. So what are the difference between goods and services? So here I have already mentioned in my whiteboard, I have taken 7 bases of difference by which we are going to differentiate between services and goods. First point is intangible. Services are intangible. You can feel it, you can experience it, but you cannot see and touch it. Whereas goods are tangible. Tangible in sense you can feel them, you can touch them, and you can see them. So we can say goods are tangible and services are intangible. Second base of difference is inventory. Inventory means stock. Services are inventoryless, they cannot be stored, they are produced and consumed same time. So there is no question of inventory. So they are inventoryless. Whereas goods can be stored and stocked. So goods can be stored if they are unsold or whatever might be the reason. Third is separable. Inseparable. You have to consume services in a lot. It cannot be separated. So services are inseparable. Now moving to goods. Goods are separable. They possess the quality of separability. For example, as you are seeing, this is the marker and I take out this cap and this body is differentiated, or these both are separated. So goods can be easily separated. As you are seeing, on my one hand I am having the cap and on my other hand I am having the body of the marker. So goods can be easily separated. But services are same time produced and same time consumed. They cannot be separated. Now standard. Services do not show any fixed standard or quality, whereas goods are standardized. Standardization means that when you are going to hotel for a dinner and you order some dishes, sometimes the waiter brings the dishes in 10 minutes and sometimes he brings the dish in 50 minutes. So there is no quality in standard of services. And if we are talking about this marker, if my factory produce these markers 1 lakh per day, the same marker of volume and size will be produced. So we can say goods are having standardized value. Now nature. Nature means basically services are as activity or process. We can classify services as an activity or as a process. Like watching a movie, it is an activity or process. Goods are physical objects. Goods are physical object which we can see, feel and touch. Type. It is heterogeneous and it is homogeneous. Goods produced are homogeneous, are having same shape, size and volume and dimension. Whereas services which are going to produce are heterogeneous. Their standard, their quality, their timing might be differ. And last is transfership of ownership. Goods can be easily transferred. Goods can be easily transferred from the owner to the buyer, whereas it is not possible to transfer the services. So students, today we have discussed services and goods by taking 7 bases of difference, that is intangible, inventory, inseparable, standard, nature, type and transfer of ownership. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.